What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before this video starts, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, and tell me any more video editing tutorials you guys want here on the channel, or tell me in my Discord server, which will be linked down below. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so today, guys, I'm in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm going to be showing you how to do the RGB split effect. So this effect is pretty simple right now. I just have some test footage here on my screen. This is My Hero Academia, an amazing anime. You guys should definitely go check it out. But anyway, that's not the point. Let's get right into the effect. So right now I have my clip sitting on my timeline. The first thing you guys want to do is make sure your clip is set to linear dodge add. This is going to be a very important piece for when you want to make this effect because of how the layers blend. Now I have linear dodge add set to my blend mode. I want to hop over to the effects panel and have arithmetic. Arithmetic is going to help create this channel effect that you guys are going to see right now. So once you put arithmetic on your clip, you want to go over to the effects controls, and now you see all these settings: operator, red value, green value, blue value, and XOR. You want to change XOR to max, and now you want to pick which value. So we're going to start with red. We're going to take it all the way up to 255. That's the max. We're going to hold Alt, drag up while holding Alt, and now your clip is copied. We're going to now take red value to 0 and take our green value all the way up. Now we're going to hold Alt again, drag up, and I have another clip. We're going to go take our green value to 0, and we're going to take our blue value all the way to 255. Now you can see nothing's really happening right now. Well, what you want to do is you want to move these layers. So we're going to go over to position. We're going to go to this value right here. For this top layer, this is our blue layer. We're going to move it over to the right a little bit. And with our green layer, we're going to move it over to the left. And boom, you have our RGB effect. And if I press play, your clip will look like that. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, guys. It's nothing much to it. Of course, if you want to add a little bit of flair into it, I'm going to show you how you can make this like a glitch into the RGB effect. So if you want to make this a glitch into the RGB effect, I'm going to grab all my layers and I'm going to drag them out so the clip is longer than what I originally had it at. We're going to start it right here. This is where our RGB effect is going to start. We're going to go back over to all this stuff. We're going to turn it back to normal for each layer. And we're gonna, now that all the layers are normal, we're gonna remove arithmetic from each one of them. And we're also gonna make sure the settings are set back to normal. So this should be 640. This should also be 640. And this last value should be 640. So now look at the glitch effect we have here. And then it hopped into the RGB effect look. Hopefully this tutorial is very simple and easy for you guys. I will be uploading more video editing tutorials in the near future. We're going to be doing some beat syncing, music syncing, how to make montages, and all that type of stuff here on the channel. So make sure you guys tune in, like, subscribe, comment down below, join my Discord server. Hopefully this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, comment them down below in the comment section, or just DM me or message me in the Discord server, which will be linked in the description. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and peace.